Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix sound or audio issues in Jurassic World Evolution 3 game. So here follow the fixes. On your PC click on Windows icon, then click on settings. Click on system, sound, advanced, then click on more sound settings. Click your default device, for example speaker, and then click on properties. Go to spatial sound tab, click the drop down box and select off, then click on apply and then OK. If spatial sound is already set to off, then select Windows Phonic for headphones instead. Then go to enhancements tab, check mark loudness equalization and then click on apply and then OK. Now launch Jurassic World Evolution 3 and then check. Fix 2 makes your sound level in game is set to 100%. So look for audio settings within the Jurassic World Evolution 3 game menu and make sure that the volume and other audio settings are correctly configured. Make sure the volume bars are set to 100%. Additionally, if you are using headphones, you may like to try using a speaker to see if any sounds play. Fix 3 steps to fix audio problem in Jurassic World Evolution 3 if you are using Bluetooth headphones. So right click on the Bluetooth icon in the system tray, select show Bluetooth devices, scroll to the bottom and select more devices and printer settings. Right click your headphones and select properties. Now go to the services tab and check hands-free telephony, remote control and remotely controllable device. Then hit apply. Now check if it solves your issue or not. Fix 4 set default sound device. Click on the sound icon in the system tray and make sure your system volume is set to 100%. Then select your audio device above your system volume. Select the sound device you are using for the game. After the sound device selected, restart the game and then test it for the improvement. Fix 5 disconnect additional peripheral devices. Your sound settings can be altered by additional peripherals. So disconnect any peripheral devices that are not necessary, such as USB devices, camera, phone, additional controller, mouse, keyboard, etc. So by this way you can easily solve sound or audio issues in Jurassic World Evolution 3 game. So that's all for this video.